We are in our new house. Hey guys, today Phil's not working. He doesn't have wedding shoots for a couple of months now, which is awesome.
So weekends back.
Weekends back.
Yeah.
And we get our keys on Monday for the new place, so that's come around super quickly. Today we're gonna go look for some lights, do some more house stuff, and it's a beautiful day as well.
Lights, so many lights. And there's an upstairs, an escalator over there. Wow, this place is hectic. How have we not been to this place before? Got everything here. Oh, don't even know where to look. Hey, they're cute. We do not know why we haven't come in here yet. It's crazy. We've got so much stuff.
We've driven past it probably a million times.
We saw it's a big massive warehouse, always wondered what's in there. But it's crazy. Crazy.
Thinking of getting that light up there for the bedrooms and that back one here for the hallway. Okay, back at Beacon Lighting, we're going to get this for the living room. This light here. Choosing lights is very hard work. It's nowhere near as easy as choosing furniture. So we spent like an hour at the other Beacon Lighting store. Couldn't find anything, kind of gave up. Yeah. Came to this one to pick up a different light, and then we were in there for less than 5 minutes before we found a light for our living room. And neither of us can remember if we saw it at the other store, but we saw this one and we liked it.
Yeah, we're like, how about this one? It's like, oh yeah, okay.
Maybe we're just so tired now that we don't care.
And we're just over it then. It's like, okay, yeah.
It will do.
It will do.
But
I think it was good.
Yeah, like when it came to furniture, we knew exactly what we were looking for. But when it comes to lights, I think it's completely different. Hey guys, it's Sunday. Phil's at work at the moment. He's got a shoot, so I've gone to do the groceries and I thought I would show you guys what I've bought, what a weekly grocery shop looks like for us, and I'm also going to do some meal prep for the week, so let's do it. So first up, I've got some broccolini because I'm going to have this for lunch this week, along with some sweet potato, and I've got some chicken thighs which I'm going to marinate and bake. We've got some bananas, pears, there's some cucumbers in here, as well as spinach, because that basically makes up our green juice every morning, which we have for breakfast. We've also got bok choy here, some coriander and broccoli, as well as eggs. We always get eggs, and I'm making pad thai this week. So that's our weekly grocery shop. Oh, as well as some oyster sauce to top up. So I've got my sweet potato, broccolini and chicken thighs ready to go. which I'll pop into here. And that's lunch for this week sorted. By the way, the rub that I was using is a combination of heaps of different herbs and spices. So basically there's paprika, chili, garlic granules, salt and pepper, cumin, cayenne pepper in there as well. But yeah, a bunch of things, and it just helps to make the chicken taste a bit tastier.
Hi guys, it is Monday, April 30, and this is a very exciting day for us because this is when we get our keys to our new house. So I've just popped out to get the keys off the agent, and then we are going to go pop in to our new house and see how everything looks. So yeah, very exciting. And Joe will be meeting me at the house a bit later, and we'll go through it and we'll show you around.
Hey guys, we are in our new house. Just got our keys today.
Yes, very exciting.
You can hear that it's very echoey because it's, you know, an empty house. But yeah, this is what for the first hour we've been in this house as the homeowners.
Yes. Yeah, just picked up the keys before and
How do you feel?
yeah.
I mean, I'm now excited. So
yeah,
like,
I'm excited, and yeah, and sort of see it all
coming together.
And
Or like visualizing it.
yeah, because we've been planning it for quite a while now. Got most of our stuff.
Yeah, so for a while, like everyone's been asking us if we're excited, and hasn't really sunk in. I think it now has sunk in because we've got the keys.
Yeah.
Let's do a very quick sneak peek empty tour. We will do a proper one another time, and we'll even do like a before and after the renos. But here's a very quick sneak peek.
Hi guys, just to give you guys a little bit of an update, you may have seen from our previous vlogs that we were shopping for house stuff, bathroom stuff, lights and so on. So just to give you an update that we are expecting a delivery today with most of our bathroom supplies. And here we have our toilets arrived the other day. These are our super fancy toilets. Not that fancy, but you would have seen us have a look at these at the home show, and we bought them then, so they have arrived. So next week the bathroom renovations will start, and then we will also start painting or prepping for painting the house tomorrow as well. So we shall update you then.
Hey guys, so it's Saturday. It's our first Saturday in this house, you know, starting to do all the stuff that we need to do. So today, Phil is going to work on patching up the cracks in the walls because we had our house re-leveled, which then caused some hairline cracks, which is normal. So he's going to do that. I'm going to clean the wardrobe so that we can start bringing things. Please stop making all that noise while I'm vlogging. And I'm going to start sanding the walls as well. So let's get started. When you have to look up on YouTube how to seal up a crack. Hey guys, so I am currently sanding the walls and prepping it for a coat of paint. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing sunnies, it's because all the dust was getting into my eyes. So I think that I'll either have to get goggles or I'll just have to wear this when I sand the whole house. How are you going? How are you going?
Okay, these cracks are a bit bigger than hairline cracks.
Yes, that's what I was thinking too.
Hey guys, just making a quick trip to Bunnings to get some face masks and some goggles. weren't expecting the sand, but we're starting sanding today, so quickly get some supplies so that we can continue sanding.
Do you like my look, guys? So Phil's going to get goggles and a face mask because all the dust was going everywhere. I totally should have worn a cap because I've got dust all over my hair. But this is what we're doing. Okay, so we're gonna test 3 shades of white onto the wall. I have plaster dust all over me and my hair. What's this one?
Lexicon Porter.
Okay. So this looks pretty much the same to me, but they are 3 different whites. How could you possibly choose? Here it is in another room. What do you think? What do you guys think? It's very hard to tell. Hey guys, it's Sunday. We've just gone to church. We're gonna grab lunch quickly before we go back to the house. I woke up with sore legs and sore arms from all that sanding.
Yes,
so
you did a very good job.
I hope so. Imagine if it was a crap job still.
I don't think you can do a crop job.
I didn't feel like, because I feel like I'm quite weak, so I have to do it more times.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's why.
Because when you did it, it was like smooth. Yeah. So we are currently at Bunnings, and we're gonna potentially buy one of these so it's a bit easier to sand our walls after yesterday's fun job. Oh yeah, it is heavy. Heavy.
Hi.
This is super heavy.
This is medium size.
So we decided not to get a sander for now because it might cost a bit too much and we don't really know which one to get. So we're going to just do it by hand today and see if we can borrow one from someone.
Yeah, I'm sure we can.
Alright, we are back in the house, this time with some music. And so today I'm going to go around the house and patch up any little cracks we have along the trimmings that happened due to the floor leveling. Say hi.
Hi.
So I bought shower caps after yesterday's lesson learnt because I got dust all over my hair, so I've got shower caps this time. Hey guys, we are ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you enjoyed watching or seeing a sneak peek of our new home. We will be doing a proper like before and after of the house / house tour video, but consider these vlogs as a little sneak peek into those
Behind the scenes.
yeah, behind the scenes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy watching and following on our journey. Don't forget to leave your comments down below because we really do enjoy reading your comments, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.